Good morning, fellow math teachers. I thought it would take just a few moments to remind people of how to go in and check settings for spring break. So if we go here and we just log in, as a reminder, what you do is if you've got your school district, then you can come up here to administration. You click on district settings. It'll take you to the calendar. So we can see here this USPA Sports Academy has the week of April 21st through the 27th off for spring break. But if I go up and I pick a different school, this Indiana Agriculture, and I go and I look at their schedule, I see that they have 2 weeks off here, intercession they call it, for a break. So you need to be aware of that as you're sending communications throughout the next, probably month, so that you're not reminding students that they're getting behind because they're off. So, happy spring!